You need to watch this if you struggle with loyalty, but because this story will change your perspective. Once upon a time, there was a king with many slaves, but among them one stood out. He was a black slave, loyal to the core and dearly loved by his king. One day, the king went out on a camel, surrounded by his slaves. Some walked ahead, some behind, but the black slave rode beside him on a horse, ever watchful. Suddenly, the king's precious box of pearls fell and shattered in a narrow street. Pearls scattered everywhere. The king, unfazed, said, "Go and take the pearls. I do not want them any longer." The slaves scrambled for the pearls, but not the black slave. He stayed by his master's side. He guarded the king, valuing his life over the precious gems. The king noticed this unwavering loyalty. In return, he showered the true servant with many gifts. Loyalty, after all, is priceless.